I'm Ki Hui-Fong and I will play as Hiccup. So, at this moment of the time, we are about to make a decision. The balloon is falling down into the sea, but only one person can stay in the balloon. Before you choose me, I will tell you why you should spare me for the death. I will tell my responsibility as a dragon hunter. I will give 3 reasons why you should let me stay in the balloon. First of all, I am born as Wiki, living in a small village called Berg. All of us train to be a dragon hunter. Due to I have a very weak body and scrawny, hence I am unable to be a good dragon hunter. In fact, I never give up and desperately want to be changed and success. After many times of attempt, I capture a Night Fury, the most mysterious and dangerous dragon type. I come to the point of almost killing it, but I give up. I refuse my dad's offer to go to the dragon training. I start a friendship with this dragon, named Toothless. At this moment, I discover that I can actually train dragon and ride on the back. My growing knowledge of dragons make me do very good in dragon training. I have contributed to the village where my dad, the patriarch, typed Toothless up to find the gigantic dragon last place. My dad and the other warriors make a mistake and let the gigantic dragon burn all ships and put all people in danger. At this moment, I know that my responsibility as a dragon trainer. Luckily, I teach all my partners how to train the dragon. We cooperate very well with our dragons and draw the attention of gigantic dragon from hurting the people. With my well cooperate with Toothless and my intelligence, we managed to beat the giant dragon down successfully and save all the people. Both of the villagers and my dad changed the mind of afraid of dragons because of my action. They stop fighting with dragons anymore. They keep them as pets and live in peace together. Example of my great contribution is on one day I ran on the Toothless and we found that a gang of villains who kill and abuse the dragon. After calm down and making every aspect of consideration, I lead all the dragons and my partners to subdue the villain that can control the mind of dragons to do bad things. Eventually, I have become the new patriarch that recognized by the villagers. And Toothless also become the new generation of supreme dragon that leading the dragon group. All of us on our strength, but as you are all away, I believe I am the best to stay in the balloon. Let's start with Mulan. Mulan, she is a female who fight in the war and stay in camp with all men. She is a terrible liar, which is a serious drawback when she is disguising herself as a man, and she is also somewhat reckless, which put herself in real danger more than once. In this case, she made her parents worry about her. Hence, this shows that my parents and my villagers proud of me, as I am the first dragon trainer who understands dragon very well. Next, Raya is a highly skilled warrior woman, but Raya displays a debt-seated trust issue after people betray her. She has difficulty of trusting people. This makes her in difficulty along the journey. In this case, you can see that I trust and believe in the kindness of dragon and cooperate well with dragons to encounter all issues to save all my people. When it comes to who will stay in the balloon needs a person who always finding solution when facing problem and protection issues. As you can see, Aladdin is the one who only chasing for love and money. He asked his genie to make him rich and changing in appearance to trick the princess to be with him. I simply cannot accept that he did not contribute to his country and only consider for himself. While Maleficent is a kind of unstable mentally and emotional pressure, she committed a mistake which set a curse that led Aurora in the danger of maybe won't wake up forever. This is her enragement that Maleficent betrayed by her loved one. Her skin could easily be burned by slightest contact with irons on the balloon. And prolonged exposure could also weaken her dramatically. That's why I am of the opinion that I should be the one in the balloon. However, I may help the person to calm down and think clearly to adapt the situation. In order to run the world, we need brave, intelligent, strong mind that can boost our ability and power to be a great person. in any situation. Thus, I think I should be the one in the balloon. Thank you.